Hi everyone. So today we are in Kindersley, Saskatchewan, a town about 30 miles south of Kerrobert. And there's a big garage sale here today, so we're going to take you along and check it out. Yeah, we know it's we're early. Oh, I need bins like this to put screws and stuff in. Yeah. Oh, they got the little AMW. What is that? Figure that's worth.
Oh, by that. Let's see.
Yeah, that's where you just gotta pull out the phone and do a quick search of the value. Yeah, that'd probably be an easy sell. Puzzles. I've always wanted a Moraine Lake puzzle. Do they have
$30. 35.
Oh,
I don't know.
yeah.
If you wanted to put it on eBay, though, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't do eBay selling though. I guess you wanted to get into eBay selling, didn't you?
I'll see.
Yeah, for $5, I mean, can't go wrong. Okay, we should do a quick scan over before everything sells. It's pretty beat up. Not much in this area.
That one is sold. Yeah, that one's sold. It was $40. There's another one over the corner. It's $30 because of the spring that holds the arm up. Broke. The jack holds. The jack works good, but it doesn't. Like I said, the arm doesn't stay up. Okay, so put a sold on that. Yeah. Oh yeah. That 50. I don't even remember what it was.
$20. Cool.
It was.
That's just kind of welded on there.
Yep. Everything worked. I don't know. $20. Did that come out of that set over there? That is a set over there. Two of them, and all the ends in there. Done? Thanks, man.
Right there, right box. The price on it. Hey, over here. Two of them in there.
Where are you at here? 24.
Yeah, as far as I know. Yeah.
Even numbers. Oh yeah. Yep. Huh? Yep. Yeah. 25.
This is cool.
There's so many people sitting around with
Yeah. Well, that was that. This one, $15. 25, okay, and the grill was so 40 buns and 40 bananas. I like it.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right.
Pump guy down.
Hey, I'm also interested in your box of bottles over there. It said $8
Yep,
on
for
it,
the
if that's
whole
for the
frickin'
whole
box.
thing. Okay.
Yep.
And how much did you want for this? There was
Price on it?
Pardon me? No.
I think it was $15.
Just cash. Just cash. Okay. How much was on it?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you take the come along and I'll take. You gotta be real. Or here, take this one too. I'm kind of nervous about this whole setup here.
Yeah, $10. Huh? 4 for 3. What do you got here? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I gotta get out of here before I get bumped into.
Got her there, Richard?
That was a. Holy.
I mean, maybe I'll do some eBay selling. But yeah, I'm not on buy and sell, especially when I'm
Yeah, this
salt and pepper shakers, but
box of bottles for $8. That's a decent score.
they didn't
I think.
even have the price on these salt and pepper shakers, so I'm sure you could have just got them for like whatever. I think they could have went for 10 to 20 bucks.
Yeah, I'll set these in here rather than in the box because. Hey, and it's the same co-op crate that I lost in my truck fire. This one's all bust up though. Oh, there's like a mouse or something in there. Okay. So now that I'm at home, I can kind of show you guys these bottles a bit more. So the whole thing was $8. In case you didn't catch that, it was pretty noisy in there. But this is a 160 ounce jug. That's 1 imperial gallon. And there's a dead mouse in the bottom, which actually stinks really bad. So I'm gonna have to clean that out somehow. Now, what I thought, like I haven't even looked through this yet, really. I just kind of looked at a couple of them, but I think there's 2 of these Pepsi bottles, if not more. But these are from the 40s. The ones I have are from the 50s. I think they're from 58. Does this one have a date on it? 1941. I think that would be the date of it. But I can tell they're from the 40s because they got kind of the more, I don't know what you call that, kind of like flame-like writing or something. So those are pretty cool. I've always wanted one of those. And then this kind of Coke bottle, it's got the embossed trademark on it. I don't have one like that. I don't think that has a date on it. And then this Coke bottle, you know, from the 40s probably. What does it say? 51, so maybe that's 1951. That one's got a lot of dirt inside of it. And then this Coke bottle, another smaller one, no date on it, probably 60s. And then, not sure, some kind of liquor bottle by the looks of it. Not too sure about these ones. Maybe Bob the Bottle Man will know something about these. This one looks like it's melted or something on the top there. Must have been in a burning barrel or something. Melted down there too. And this one is kind of interesting. Can't really read anything on the bottom. It's got 8 sides, I think. That's an octagon type bottle. And then here's that other Pepsi one. Again, same thing. 1941. Those are really nice. I'll have to clean those up. And this here looks like some type of medicine bottle. Got the cork in it. A white opaque glass. What does that say? I can't really read that. That's interesting. And then again, lots of dirt. I don't want to tip that over in the garage. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of bottles these are. Here, they got the big open tops on them. I think this one might be melted. It feels a bit oval shaped. It doesn't feel perfectly round. They're like vases or something. Oh, look at this. There's like vice grips. Is that like a shot glass or what is that? Oh, that's handy. Vice grips and stuff in here too. Wrenches. I didn't even know that. And then just more of these. Oh, look at this. This is a ketchup bottle here. No label on it. Heinz ketchup. It's got the 57 on there. And then more of these. Oh, it looks like there's a bit of a remnants of a label on there. Cap for something. Not sure what that one is. That looks like another little medicine bottle. Oh, what does that say? I can't really read handwriting all that well, so not sure what that says. Huh. That's an interesting one. Not really any writing on there. Another one of those vase style ones. Might just be like a pickle jar or something. Okay, this one's kind of cool. It's got like a pry off top on it. but there's bubbles in the glass. This one looks pretty old, actually. Probably early 1900s, just by looking at that glass. It's got like a bit of a crack in there. Doesn't actually go through to the top though, which is weird. Must have just been that kind of primitive glass. And then these all look newer. Or that one's the same as that. Or maybe not. These actually do look pretty old. It's got a nice top on it. What does it say on the bottom? I can actually kind of read this through the camera better than I can with my eyes. Whiskey. Something whiskey, it says. That looks pretty old. Oh yeah, and it's got bubbles in the glass too. Interesting. And then, yeah, just a broken Miller bottle in there. Yeah, anyways, that's all the bottles there. I'll get these all cleaned up, and I guess I'll post pictures of them once they're all cleaned on my Instagram. So if you guys want to go follow me on Instagram, the link will be in the description, and then try and see what some of that writing says on those interesting ones and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I plan to do more garage sale videos in the future come summertime. Maybe upload 2 videos a week if I have enough content. I have a pretty big exciting project planned for the summer, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you for watching.